Hey there, having trouble with your Google Play Store on your Xiaomi Android TV? You're not alone. These issues can be frustrating, but don't worry. I've got just the guide for you on how to fix Google Play Store on Xiaomi Android TV. Let's dive into some simple steps to get your Play Store back in action so you can enjoy all your favorite apps without a hitch. Step 1. Restart your Xiaomi Android TV. Before diving into more technical fixes, let's start with the most straightforward solution, restarting your device. Often, a simple reboot can resolve minor glitches and restore functionality. To do this, unplug your Xiaomi Android TV from the power source. Wait for about 10 seconds, then plug it back in. Allow the TV to restart and check if the Google Play Store is working again. Step 2. Clear cache and data. If restarting didn't do the trick, the next step is to clear the cache and data for the Google Play Store app. This can help remove any corrupted files that might be causing the issue. First, navigate to Settings on your Xiaomi Android TV. Scroll down and select Apps. Locate and open Google Play Store from the list. Choose Clear Cache. If the problem persists, go back and select Clear Data as well. After clearing the cache and data, try accessing the Google Play Store again. Step 3. Check internet connection. A stable internet connection is crucial for the Google Play Store's functionality. Make sure your Xiaomi Android TV is connected to the internet. To verify, go to Settings, select Network and Internet. Confirm that your device is connected to a Wi-Fi network and the signal strength is good. If there are connection issues, try resetting your router or connect to a different network to see if the problem gets resolved. Step 4. Uninstall updates from Google Play Store. Sometimes bugs in the latest updates can cause the Play Store to malfunction. To address this, you might need to uninstall updates. Go to Settings and then Apps. Locate Google Play Store and select it. Click on the option to uninstall updates. This will revert the Google Play Store to the factory version. Check if it starts functioning normally. Keep in mind that the app will eventually update again, hopefully without issues. Step 5. Ensure correct date and time settings. Incorrect date and time settings can also affect the performance of the Google Play Store. Here's how to fix it. Open Settings. Navigate to Device Preferences. Select Date and Time. Enable the option to set the date and time automatically. This ensures your device is in sync with Google servers, potentially resolving the issue. Getting glitches on your Google Play Store resolved is often just a matter of performing the right troubleshooting step. With this guide on how to fix Google Play Store on Xiaomi Android TV, you're equipped with solutions from restarting your device, clearing cache, fixing connectivity issues, to verifying date and time settings. If you still face problems, consider contacting Xiaomi support for further assistance. Enjoy seamless streaming and app usage on your smart TV.